Hi, this is Janelle Penny, the editor-in-chief of Buildings Magazine, and I'm here with Walt Taylor, who is the owner of FreeAxez, which is a national distributor of the FreeAxez grid system that we're going to be talking about today. Walt, what can you tell me about it?
Janelle, thank you. This is called the grid system. It's manufactured by FreeAxez. It's an all-steel system. While you may think of this as a raised floor system, we'll call this an adaptive cable distribution system. So the grid system was first started over 20 years ago. It allows you to bring power, voice, and data cables into any type of high-tech environment. The system started many years ago. There's been quite an evolution over the years. Now, we have what's called a grid power system, which is a modular reconfigured power bus system, which allows you to plug and play to floor boxes, feed into furniture, under desk mounts. It's completely removable, reusable, and it just goes together, snaps together. You can put these power buses in 8-foot lengths up to 64 feet. And every foot you have the ability to do tapping or plug-in every foot in that 8-foot, in that 64-foot span. This allows you to be able to make moves, adds, and changes very, very quickly, very easily. With this system, we also have what's called Gridd Mobile, a new innovation that we're introducing here at NeoCon. We just won an award for the system. It allows the facility manager to take as-built drawings and photos and know exactly what's underneath the floor so that moves, adds, and changes are very easy to do. And then with that app, there's also an augmented reality feature to that so that the facility manager can see so that the electrician or the cable and wiring
Oh yeah, I see. As you're moving it along the floor.
Knows where to go make changes rather than having to figure out what's in the floor. And this is all provided with the Gridd Mobile app.
So let me show you an example. You see over here the cable. Cables in there.
Oh wow.
What's also very important is the ability to adjust the model on the spot. So, for example, you need to make another cable construction, you can make changes on the spot, so afterwards upload them to the server, then translate it to native Revit or CAD files. Likewise, changing in the office, you can in real time transfer them to the site.